All right, second graders. Day 4, week 24. Your week's almost over. Keep working hard. Okay, you have a response to reading to The Boy Who Cried Wolf. So you'll see over here that this is a student example, but this isn't exactly what yours is going to look like. You need to hop on Schoology and you'll see this, which will be nice and blank, ready for you to put your work in. The first thing you need to do is draw a picture. Draw a picture to show when the boy made a bad choice in the story. Write a sentence at the bottom of your drawing describing the lesson he learned from the story, and then take a picture of it and insert it right here on this Google Drive. You may say, I'm not sure how to do that. Don't worry, I've included some directions. So on the next slide of your Google slide, you'll find this. Step 1. You'll need to find the plus sign on your iPad. Do you see me pointing to it right there in the picture? Then you're going to click Image. And then you're going to either click from your photos or take a picture from your camera of the picture that you just created. Now have fun, and once you're done, don't forget, submit it to your teacher for grading.